Good morning, I'm Tim Carter. I'm a Client Portfolio Manager on npower's optimisation desk, and welcome to this morning's market update on Monday the 3rd of August. So prices are opening quite a bit softer again today. The key drivers for this are likely to be number one, the euro recovered from losses on Friday, actually after the UK markets had closed, but we're expecting some more PMI manufacturing data from across Europe to be released this morning, which could provide further direction. Number two, we've got oil markets kind of following that currency move late on Friday, moving down to around $51.50 per barrel for Brent now. And finally, number three, the UK prompt markets are all well oversupplied today, which is obviously pressuring price at the front end of the curve. So those are your key headlines for today. If you'd like any more details, please contact us on the email address provided. Otherwise, continue to watch. A quick look then at the macroeconomics. So as I said, the euro really had a lot of strength during Friday's market hours in the UK. Getting down towards 1.41 against the pound sterling, but following those gains, it actually corrected back towards 1.42 after the UK markets closed. So that's kind of fed into our UK power and gas prices this morning. As I mentioned, we've got PMI data coming out for a raft of European countries at around 9 AM this morning, and then GB PMI data is coming out about half an hour later, so that could provide further direction for those currencies. Oil markets, as I mentioned, trading around $51.50 per barrel at the moment. That's as low as they've been since January, when we were coming out of the slump early in the year. We're going to move on to some UK prompt market fundamentals now. Looking at the gas system first, line pack is currently forecast to close around 11 MCM long today. That's mainly driven by some depressed demand in the UK. Warmer temperatures are depressing the domestic demand, while we've got good renewable feed-in, which means that the CCGT generation plants are using less gas as well. Looking at Rough storage facility, it's currently nominating around 17 MCM for injection, but actually there's some essential maintenance work going on today until 6 PM, which is limiting their injection capacity by 20 MCM, so it'll be interesting to see whether those nominations can be delivered. This is all leading up to the heavier September maintenance, but before then Rough is likely to move to single train injection. It's forecast for tomorrow actually, and that will limit it to just 5 MCM injection per day. Elsewhere, we've got IUK exports down a bit, just nominating 10 MCM today. And then on the power side of things, looking at the peak margins, currently pretty comfortable, over 12 gigawatts, thanks to that good wind feed-in. Wind's currently generating around 3.5 gigawatts, but could pick up towards nearly 7 gigawatts midday tomorrow sort of time. Elsewhere, we've also got the power interconnectors all operating on the import, providing around 3.2 gigawatts to the UK at the moment. That's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll speak to you again tomorrow.